Why do 90% of homemade chefs mess up stuffed ravioli? Not you. Let's nail it together. First things first, let's make the dough. Grab 2 cups of flour, 3 eggs, a splash of olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Mix it up until it's a smooth, happy dough ball. Now, let it nap for 30 minutes. Dough needs rest too. While the dough is chilling, let's make the stuffing. Mix 1 cup of ricotta cheese, some grated parmesan, a sprinkle of nutmeg, salt, and pepper. Want to get fancy? Add some spinach or mushrooms. Roll out your dough super thin. Think paper thin, folks. Cut it into squares and dollop that cheesy goodness in the center. Fold, press the edges with a fork, and ta-da! Ravioli ready for action. Boil those bad boys in salted water for 3-4 minutes. When they float, they're done. Top with your favorite sauce, marinara, alfredo, or just butter and sage. And there you have it. Homemade stuffed ravioli that will make you the star of dinner time. Bon appetit!